This video shows how to buy shares of Sanara MedTech Inc. Sanara MedTech is a medical technology company developing surgical and regenerative devices. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker SMTI. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and here we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SMTI. From the results, select the Sanara MedTech Inc. listing to ensure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company profile, recent updates, and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the SMTI ticker to verify it is the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy in dollars or number of shares, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order and executed when trading resumes. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro and more details are available in the video description.